Good morning, first graders. So today we're going to do a spelling activity with a paper clip and your pencil, and I probably in class have already showed you how to do it. So I have my paper on my desk, and I'm going to spin, and it looks like I landed on 1. So on the first box, I'm going to write ham, because ham is with the number 1. So ham. Okay. Now remember, if I ever get going too fast, you can always push pause and catch up with me. So I just spun again and I got a 7. So next to 7 is Matt. So I'm going to write Matt on the line. Okay, I'm going to spin again. And I landed on 5, so I'm going to write can. Okay, and then I just spun again and I got 1 again. So since 1 is with ham, I write ham. Okay, spin again on my, here, I landed on 10, and 10 is an. So there we go. Okay, I spin again, I put my paper clip here, I push it, and then I landed on 4. So 4 is Sam. See, 4 is right here. Sam. Sam. And I'm just going to keep going. So I spun again. I landed on 6. 6 is Dan. So I write Dan on the line. Okay. I spin again and I landed on 2. 2 is hat. So I write on the next box, I write hat. Okay, and the next one is, I landed on 3. 3 is fan, so I write fan on the line. Good, and I spun again and I landed on 2. 2 is hat. So I write hat there. I spun again, I landed on 9. 9 is at. Good. So if you want to keep trying on your own, you can use the paper clip and see which numbers you land on. If you don't and you just want to follow along with me, that's fine too. I'm just going to finish right here. Tan. Okay, and then I'm going to spin again. And it's okay if you get the words more than one time, because that's part of using a spinner, is that you might have more than one. Okay, so we just did Matt. Now we have can. And we have 4 more. I just landed on 9, so I'm going to write at again. Okay. I landed on 7, so Matt. Oh, look, there's another Matt. And then I spun again, I got 6. Dan. And then one more time is ham. Good job. So once you finish, I would like you to go back and read your words. Ham, Matt, can, ham, Ann, Sam, Dan, hat, fan, hat, at, tan, Matt, can, at, Matt, Dan, and ham. Now you can raise your hand and let Mrs. Stewart look, and I'll come around and give you a stamp or a smiley, and then this can go in your mailbox and you can get started on Lexia. Thank you.